kind of the next tier into the kit is you can actually add what's called a DC to DC charger, which we have right here. What that charger does is essentially it takes charging amperage from your alternator, which in this case, this boat's got a Mercury, so it's got a high output alternator. And it's going to convert that energy to DC charging amperage for your lithium. So as you run your motor, it's going to allow that lithium to charge up more. Benefit to that, case in point, a boat like this where it's got 5 graphs on it. The nice thing about this setup right here is having that DC to DC charger, that's going to give us anywhere from 10 to 30 more amps on the water. So that 100 amp hour battery acts more like 120 to 130 amp hour battery. The other nice thing is that DC to DC charger will actually wake up a lithium. So in the event that we have a situation where that lithium goes to sleep, we can come over here, switch the switch to AGM mode, allow the motor to idle for a short period of time, and it'll wake that lithium up so when you get home it can actually charge. Now the last component of the kit that you can add on as well is for what we call at night charging, aka AC charging, where you plug in an outlet. The kit will give you the option to add a Minn Kota standalone PCL charger. What that does is at night when we're plugged in charging via our charging port, it's going to allow that standalone Minn Kota charger to charge up that standalone lithium. Now included with that kit is going to be a dual port charger pass through, as you can see here. What that does is on the back end of that port, it allows you to hook up 2 chargers. So when we plug in our AC outlet right here, our standard onboard charger and our Minn Kota charger will charge up everything in the system at the same time. So we've got redundancy kind of all across the board, whether it's on the run charging, we got the switch between lithium and AGM, and then we've also got our onboard charging. So that kit is available on our website at SonarProsElectronics.com. Like it said, you got options where you can either add or remove those charging infrastructures. If it was our boat, we would recommend the entire kit we walked through. So the actual wiring kit, the DC to DC charger, the standalone charger being the Minn Kota PCL, and then the dual port pass through. So that's it in a nutshell. Like we said, we've seen a lot of people do lithium kits, I think, in not a great way. This system, we've got a lot of our pros running this system, like Hunter Shryock, and we've had nothing but great results. And like I said, I've been running this for a couple of years as well, and it's a really reliable way to do standalone lithium.